Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a new user account on Windows 10 in what I find to be a much quicker and faster way than how Microsoft/Windows probably would prefer you do it. And it's definitely not the most obvious way, so that's why I wanted to show it in this tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right into it. First thing I'm going to do is show the way that I would recommend doing it, and then the second way is going to be the way that Microsoft probably wants you to do it, and then you guys can be the judge as to which way is better and which way is faster overall. So I think the answer is probably already kind of obvious, but we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start with my method here, and that would be to open up the start menu, type in computer management. Best match should say computer management. Go ahead and just left click on that. Left click on the local users and groups folder, right click on the users folder on the right side, select new user, type in your username, usually just type in an abbreviation or something here, so type in test, and then full name, let's just say test user, add a description if you want, doesn't really matter, password if you want to have a password in here, you can fill it, otherwise you can leave it blank, uncheck the box that says users must change password at the next logon, check mark where it says password never expires, and then go ahead and just left click on the create option. And now if you want to add them as an administrator, so just go ahead and select the users folder, double click on it, select the name or whatever account we just created, right click on it, select properties, select member of, select the add button, type in administrators, select check names, select OK, and then apply and OK, and there you go. So now our test user is an administrator, and once you sign out of here, the new account has been created. No Microsoft account needed, no phone numbers, no security questions. Very simple and straightforward. So the next option, so the way that Microsoft and Windows probably wants you to do it, would be to open up the start menu, select the settings gear icon, so open up settings, select the accounts tile, select family and other users on the left side, select add someone else to this PC, and they are going to really push this Microsoft account on you, so they want you to enter a phone or an email here to sign up with a Microsoft account, which I'm not going to do, which would definitely take you guys longer. Obviously you're going to have to get your email out or your phone and whatnot. So we're just going to select I don't have this person sign in information. I'm going to wait for the next screen to load here. I'm going to have to enter in an email address for this account. You can also enter in a phone number instead, as well as create a new email address, or you can, again, like you probably already wanted to with the last prompt, add a new user without a Microsoft account. So we're going to go ahead and select that. So now it's going to ask who is going to use this PC, so you can enter in whatever name you want. And then you want to enter in a password. If you choose to leave it empty, you can, and then you're going to select next. And now finally we have created this account. And keep in mind, the way that we just kind of went through it was even a little bit quicker by creating that local account. But if you create a Microsoft account, then you would have to create security questions and everything else. And honestly, most people who are just going through this process wouldn't think twice about just putting their phone or email in. They wouldn't even realize that you can create an account without that. So just goes to show you guys, I think it was pretty clear which method I think is better. So I think I definitely put my thoughts into why I think the one method is better than the other. And this video is just as much of an information / tip as it is a tutorial, because it is nice to know alternative ways to get around Windows that are a little less clunky and are just generally more friendly for the user, in my opinion. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.